The CoinSeries channel appreciates your continued support. Request from viewer is, who is your favorite CEO and who is the best coin for you? You can also comment your opinion. Thank you to all the subscribers of our CoinSeries. Who came to our channel CoinSeries? You will always be info with the latest CoinSeries news. Number 1, CEO Brad Garlinghouse XRP and Ripple. Number 2, CEO Grayscale SEC. Number 3, CEO JP Morgan Bitcoin. Number 4, CEO Brian Armstrong Coinbase. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Sure, I'll dive a little into XRP now. Optimistic news pertaining to announcements and technical aspects. So, several well-informed people have inquired, to what am I making reference? I will do my best to provide a detailed explanation in this video. By subscribing and like the channel, you may be informed about all the latest XRP news. We can skip the introduction and go into the video when we finish with the background. As a whole, the market cap is $1.64 trillion, which is slightly higher than Sunday's total. Let's hope things get better from here. With XRP trailing Solana by only about $10 billion, the gap is widening but might soon close. In terms of overall market performance, XRP will soon surpass it by approximately 1.8%. Compared to our typical weekend performance, this one is a significant improvement, coming in at $721 billion. The market capitalization is $30 billion right now. Then, to what precisely am I making reference? The specifics will be examined shortly. The SEC does, however, inform us of a few things. The SEC has mandated that Ripple prepare audited financial statements for the years 2022 and 2023, in case anyone forgot. They are trying to figure out why they think XRP sales on that secondary market are a security. The SEC had planned to utilize that massive sum of $7 billion, but Ripple has cast doubt on that plan. Definitely not, they've said. Both the SEC and Ripple have made it clear that this requirement is unreasonable and has nothing to do with employment, honesty, or the amount of XRP supplied to institutions through the filing of complaints for specific transactions. To me, the most important thing is that they aren't fundamental to it. James K., a former federal prosecutor who tweets updates on Ripple's development, just informed his followers that the company has responded to the SEC's petition to compel with this brief, which presents a significant case. Brad Garlinghouse has no qualms about giving Gary Gensler the truth about his feelings for him and the political liability he is. Intriguingly, it is about to transpire, and it is a quote from Hauser's history. Whether you support the notion or not, everyone wants an XRP, and when we talk about regulation, Ripple is definitely at the forefront. Given the potential outcomes, it is of the utmost importance. Furthermore, the evaluation of ETF performance is subjective. Their present assets of over $4 billion would have made those exchange-traded funds, ETFs, successful if Grayscale hadn't existed. The value of one Bitcoin would be close to $50,000 if my forecast held. Regardless, the plot has changed significantly due to recent tweets and news articles. Indeed, our target is an exchange-traded fund. He ends by stating that the government's response to the XRP community on January 18 was swift, and that no, an ETF is not what we desire. The announcement follows intriguingly nebulous remarks made by BlackRock's CEO about a potential XRP ETF not long ago. Obviously, the principle will make things more easier to get through, as has been described multiple times. The fact that BlackRock has been mum on the subject of an XRP ETF at Gasper is, in my view, the most important thing. The American journalist gave Casper a vague response when Casper questioned about a potential BlackRock ETF, which they interpreted as a sign that they did not have extensive knowledge of XRP. This information was revealed late last week. Someone with direct knowledge of the situation told Rana that the investing business had just created an XRP ETF. Therefore this is what happened next. Finally, an engaged Fox Business CD journalist and the subject engaged in extensive back and forth about potential outcomes. Finally, XRP has no intention of this happening in the near future. After these Bitcoin ETFs, I expect them to move on to the performing ones. After that, we'll see what happens with XRP and Solana. There is now no ETF available, therefore the price reflects the news, which is quite intriguing, regarding the ripple effect on SEC. Although it probably won't go forward, that doesn't imply it won't show up at some point or even on the shopping list. Furthermore, I would like to call attention to an important development on the chart. The MACD has recently crossed the signal line, suggesting a negative trend that may result in a positive breakout. To verify this, see the next action on XRP. Very interesting. This pattern has been repeated twice since early December, suggesting that XRP's price might experience some major action this week. Impressive growth, but we have also surpassed the 200-day moving average. At this time, the most important thing is for the market to maintain its present position, since XRP is quite likely to break out. I continue to believe in XRP's potential, even though the cryptocurrency market has had a hard few days. The technical indicators and charts suggest that this could happen sooner than you think. Post your opinions in the comments area if you agree or disagree. Can you tell me what you think about the possible advantages of an XRP ETF? By the way, what do you anticipate the value of XRP to be this week? Today was a watershed moment. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. Until we meet again, goodbye.